Hey, trail junkies and off-grid wanderers. I'm back with another video, this time diving into the best backpacking stoves that every nomad, solo hiker, and minimalist camper should consider. Whether you're heating up mountain ramen at 12,000 feet or brewing dawn coffee by a foggy lakeside, your stove isn't just gear. It's survival, warmth, and a bit of home in the wild. After miles of backcountry grind, windswept ridgelines, and chilly alpine mornings, I've dialed in the 5 best backpacking stoves you can trust when your next meal depends on a single flick of flame. Whether you're boiling snow for coffee or frying fish at sunset, these stoves are for serious wanderers who want reliable heat without hauling a kitchen. Let's break it down, stove by stove. Number 1 is Airoka Cassette Stove. This one surprised me. A 2,600 watt heat release output rate with stereo combustion sounds gimmicky, but it delivers a pure blue flame that boiled my coffee water in under 4 minutes. The 10-centimeter elevation protects surfaces or hands if you're cooking on rocks. And firepower control gives you more than just on or off cooking. Light, simple, and it comes with a carry bag. For a minimalist nomad, that's a win. Number 2 is Gas One GS330 Spyder Stove. This thing fits in your palm but cranks out 8,000 BTU. It folds tighter than a hammock, yet handles full pots like a champ. I love the brass burner, the enamel finish, and the reliable auto ignition, because wet matches suck. If you're counting grams and want fast heat, this is your guy. Great for stealth campers or bike packers. Number 3 is ONLYFIRE Portable Camping Stove. Powerful, clean, and safe. At 3,300 watt heat release rate, this beast handles backcountry feasts with ease. What I really appreciated was the auto shut-off pressure valve. A big win when you're at high altitude or weird weather zones. Plus, it includes a hard shell case, which makes it perfect for toss-and-go backpacking. It's tough, dependable, and flame-on every time. Number 4 is John Deere Cassette Stove. Let's talk safety. This one's rocking a magnetic overpressure valve, which auto-disconnects if things get dicey. That's peace of mind when the wind kicks up and fuel tanks warm too fast. It's stable, super portable, and the 7,500 BTU Blue Flame cooks clean and fast. Bonus: the foldable legs and quality build make it ideal for bigger pots or solo gourmet moments. Number 5 is ONLYFIRE GS330 Butane Stove. This is the speed demon of the group. 3,900 watt output, boils water fast, and with a flame so efficient it feels like cheating. It's built like a tank with triple brass burners, a reliable piezo ignition, and even a built-in bottle opener, because you've earned that trail beer. Lightweight, folds like origami, and tough enough to survive the long haul. After field testing these 5 stoves on trails from pine forest to snow-capped ridges, here's the verdict. If you want raw power in a compact size, go for the ONLYFIRE GS330 or Gas One Spyder. If you're after a budget-friendly, fuel-saving workhorse, the Airoka is a sleeper hit. For safety-first campers, John Deere and ONLYFIRE give you peace of mind without sacrificing performance. Whatever your pick, remember this: your stove is your fire circle, your comfort zone, your first hot bite after a cold hike. Choose one that fits your rhythm, not just your pack weight,